It's a huge honor for me for the very first time. I'm here on the stage in front of my teachers. And before coming to the stage, I was provided with a huge list. That these are the flaws that which are in Garrison, and I have to discuss from those lists. So I have kept that list aside, and I have chosen my personal list, which I have prepared for the last couple of months by teaching here. As you know, it's been a couple of months here. I have been teaching here the two classes, even first year, second year. I've been teaching to ninth class, 10th class. Basically, it's an English lecture. So what I personally felt that these are the flaws, and I have also talked to the alumni of these institutions, and I have asked their opinions, and whatever I will tell you will be according to their opinions and according to my observation. I have been to various institutions. I have been to various institutions, the affiliated ones with the University of London. I have been to LUMS, I have been to Beacon House, I have been to Punjab, I have been to UCL, I have been to Blackstone. What I have observed there and what I have observed in this institution, I will compare these institutions with one another, and believe me, there is a huge difference. I have prepared the list, and in that list, it's almost 14 to 15 points were there. But then I shortlisted, there were the 4 points, which were the basic ones and which were the huge ones, which cannot be compromised. So I will go through the first 4 points as fast as possible, and then I will elaborate that ones. So first one was ethics and volunteering. Second one was teaching methodology. Third one was environment, and fourth one is counseling. All these 4 points, I have spent almost, as I've told you, a couple of months in this institution, and I have worked almost 14 years in this institution. So these are the 4 points which I felt that these points should be in this institution. So these are the very basic ones and very important ones. So I will like to elaborate one by one. First one is ethics and volunteering. I had experience of teaching in first year, second year, and ninth and 10th class. So this was a huge thing for me that students even don't know that how to behave with the teachers. They don't know how to behave with one another. They don't know how to eat. They don't know how to sit. They don't know how to make the recess as possible as they can. So they don't know these things. So proper check and balance should be there, a proper team should be there, who can look upon all these things, and proper marks of these things should be there. The second one is teaching methodology. I want to talk about the use of board marker, use of technology, use of cell phone, use of AI. I want to talk about these things. But the basic one is that a teacher don't know how to behave with a student. For example, if a student sometimes they ask such a flawless question, they would ask the baseless questions. They can ask the stupid questions they usually ask. But teachers usually react those questions in a very rude way. So that's not how you react those questions. Our role model, my role model, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, at that time, whenever the ignorant people, whenever the blasphemous people used to ask stupid questions, from Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, he never reacted. He used to mold the person in a different way, in an artistic way. So, by getting the inspiration from Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, when such kind of person we have to tackle, aware of the fact what kind of difficulties are our teachers facing in their homes, in their traveling, in the school, in the college, while entering the class. So when he entered the class and he has to tackle with such kind of stupid questions, so it's a natural one that you would react in a rude way. But in order to control that rudeness is the thing that a teacher should possess. This is the greatness of a teacher, that how he reacts that question. This is the greatness of the teacher, that he converts a stone into a pearl. So it's our responsibility, and whatever I am telling you is from a personal experience. More problems can be there, more flaws can be there in your genius heads. And the solution can be in a better way in your genius heads. But whatever I am telling you is from my personal experience and from the alumni I have talked about. And the third one is environment. When management usually asks the teachers or headmaster to convert this Urdu or Punjabi environment into the English one. So whatever the first thing is, we should create such kind of an environment so that they can speak English. When our teacher do not speak English in the class, they would speak Punjabi, they would speak the vulgar language, then how we can expect other students that they speak English, they speak in a positive way? It's not possible. We have to change ourselves first, then they will change. So it's the most important thing, and the thing which I noticed when I was a student, there was a lot of competition among the students in the class. I don't consider that thing because in the famous countries like Japan is there, Finland is there, the competition gets the demerit point and the collaboration gets the positive point. The collaboration should be there, not the competition. Yes, it's an era of competition, but the collaboration is a very important thing. For example, I like cricket a lot. In cricket, in